Okay, so welcome back, and today we are going to learn how to use Python Turtle. And as you can see on the screen right now, this is what I created for my last video on Shorts, so you should check that video out too. But we are gonna learn the code behind it, so let's just get started. Okay, so here is the code. Let me run through it with you. So you may be wondering, what does this T do? So T is actually one of the turtle functions which I defined over here. This is the graphics, this is the output, and right now it's creating the perfect circle that was in my shorts video, but you can see it if you want, but I'm not asking you to necessarily see it. I've created a local variable here called times, and it's equal to 0 right now. And over here, I said times plus equals 1 because this times will actually change the right and left, which would actually create the circle. And this for C in blue, red, green, yellow, this changes the color. So this for steps in range repeats this code over here 360 times. I don't know why I put 360, it's just the first thing that came to my mind. Yeah, so this is the code behind it. So let's actually go through this. So this t.speed, as it sounds, is actually controlling the speed, and I think t.speed actually goes from 1 to 10. And this t.color changes the color of it, which now the color is C, which is actually this blue, red, green, and yellow. Now this t.right actually turns the turtle right, and you may be wondering, what is the turtle? Well, let's give you a quick example on a new template. Okay, so here we are on a new REPL. So this is the template REPL for Python with Turtle. I will give you the link in the description below. So let's run the code first and see what it actually gives us. So remember the function t.color from before, so it's the same over here, and t.forward and t.left. So you'll actually see what it creates. Let's try that again. Okay, full screen it. Okay, it's not working. Let's try it again. Okay, now it works. So as you can see, it draws a square because it is for C in red, green, blue, and yellow, which is 4 colors. So let's actually try to add an extra color. Let's say maybe cyan. Okay, and let's stop and run. Now, you see, it runs another time. And if we add an extra color, maybe, I wonder if orange works. I'm not actually too sure. Let's actually try it out. Okay, let's stop and run. Yeah, it does work. So here you go. That's a square. Now, you may be wondering, what does this mean? This not just changes the color, but as you can see from the examples here, it actually dictates the amount of time this turtle, which is this mouse thing, this arrow, actually moves. So t.color C, which would actually foresee in red, in blue, yellow, and cyan and orange, and this t.forward 75 and t.left. So it repeats the code actually 6 times. So it repeats this 6 times, color is C, so first time red, second time green, and so on. And forward 75, you can always change that to like maybe 100. It would actually just be a bigger square. And this t.left 90 actually changes the angle of it. So as you saw, it's a bit bigger now, and we can actually change the angle. And to make a triangle, you should have three colors. So let's take these 2 out. Actually, these 3 out. Okay, till here. Take it out. And the angle should actually be 60 by right. I'm not too sure, but it should be 60. Oh, it's not 60. I think It's 90 plus 60. Let's actually try that. Because this is actually creating a hexagon. Well, not really hexagon because it isn't completed yet. Yeah, sort of. Triangle, it's a bit hard. Or maybe 120. 120, what do you think? Let's try 120. There you go, perfect triangle. So 120 is the correct number. Yeah. We can also change this to t dot right. Okay, so t dot right, it'll go right instead of left. There. So it creates an upside down triangle. And you can also repeat this more times if you add more colors. But yeah, so this is actually how it works. This, you may be wondering, is just to full screen and set up the canvas. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. See you.